A very warm welcome to the Expertise Online Orientation. My name is Angie Munzara. I'm the Senior External Engagement Advisor for Livelihoods as well as the Expertise Project Model Champion. It is a pleasure to be introducing to you World Vision's approach to savings groups, now known as Savings for Transformation. By introducing expertise groups into communities, World Vision facilitates a sustainable platform for families to access savings and small loans. Expertise groups normally consist of 20 to 25 people who serve together in a safe, convenient, and flexible way. Expertise groups are owned, they are managed, and operated by members themselves using a simple, transparent method whereby members accumulate and convert small amounts of cash into savings. The group's savings can then be lent to members as credit. In certain instances, a service or loan application fee can be charged as a way for the group to earn additional income and increase the return on savings. But we have to note that this is optional. Expertise builds resilience by enabling community members to develop skills and access to funds to cope with household emergencies, to learn long-term coping strategies, focus on the health, the nutrition, education of their children, and invest in their own livelihoods. These groups then become important social safety nets to their members, creating a greater sense of empowerment and trust within communities. Throughout this orientation, you will have the opportunity to learn by watching videos from World Vision Philippines programs where you will learn more about the expertise process and methodology. Before you get started, however, I want to briefly share with you why expertise was introduced at the end of 2017 and what is unique about this approach. Savings groups is one of the methodologies that have been identified by major international non-governmental organizations such as CARE, CRS, World Vision included, that is capable of lifting the most vulnerable families out of extreme poverty. The S4T project model is a strategic adaptation of the Village Saving Lending Association groups to reflect World Vision's values, goals, and priorities, especially gender and disability inclusion, child well-being outcomes, fragile, interfaith, and refugee contexts. S4T is a low-cost approach, but achieves high return on investment. S4T projects only require facilitation staff and a small operating budget. S4T can be implemented as a standalone or can be integrated with other projects such as building secure livelihoods or the ultra-poor graduation approach. They can also be easily integrated across sectors such as disaster management, water and sanitation, and across faith partnerships. S4T are designed to be self-sustaining and building the capacity of the members as agents of their own change. S4T groups, they only graduate when they function independently and demonstrate that they have increased their ability to access microfinance and establish relationships with other producers. They are also structured transitions to microfinance after the first share out with successful group readiness or quality check completion. S4T also demonstrates better contributions to sustainable development goals such as ending poverty, ending hunger, ensuring good health, eliminating all forms of violence against children when families have access to loans and savings. What else is new? We have changed the name. Those of you who were members of the Community of Practice email list will remember having an opportunity to vote on a new name to help further bring our work together and provide a platform for us to showcase our impact externally. And we unanimously chose Savings for Transformation. We also have new operational guidelines. And this work has brought together a wide array of variations on the savings group's project models in use across World Vision. into one approach that is closely aligned with VSLA, but is designed for use across all contexts, from fragile to development to emergence in urban sectors, in rural areas, and has adaptations for use within communities that are a broad mix of religions, including Islam. We also have new minimum standards of and log frame. These were developed to ensure reporting on child well-being outcomes and to deliver effective programming. We have also included better reporting standards to support you with reporting, and you'll find a complete guidance on cervix in the S4T guide. We are at the beginning of our S4T journey together. I hope you enjoy learning more about World Vision's approach as you complete each module in this online orientation. Thank you.